Hi, this is November. Earlier this year, my work was featured at the MAXXI Museum in Rome, the National Museum of Contemporary Art and Architecture designed by Zaha Hadid. It was such a full circle moment to return to Rome, see my work exhibited, perform at the DMKM 278 Festival, and lead a children's workshop at the museum. Here's a glimpse behind the scenes, from preparation to the moments that made this trip unforgettable.
Good morning, it's 10:14. Today I'll be giving a workshop to 24 kids. I kind of forget the age. I think it's between 7 to 10. I'm not sure, but it's alright. I'm not too nervous about it. It's a Monday today. The museum is closed. I haven't wrote my little introduction in Italian, but I'll work on it. I'll introduce my work to the kids, explaining why I made this drawing instrument, and today we're going to be using our body as instruments to make a collaborative drawing with each other. So I think I'll spend maybe 10 minutes to do a performance just like the one I did on the beach, and then arrange the papers so that 8 kids can collaborate at the same time. I'll probably be in the middle to guide them for the movement, hopefully create some kind of beautiful drawing. I'm doing a workshop here today.
Longer?
Yes. So nice to meet you.
Organize everything. Nice to meet you. So welcome to our museum. It's your first time in Italy.
I actually
I
lived here for 1 year.
Really? So you speak a little bit in Italian?
No, I cannot say I do.
No, but maybe
I understand a little.
This is the structure also to make you autonomous. Children are very excited. Someone made a sort of treasure hunt in the gallery in order to divine your project, because we talk about you without revealing your identity.
Oh, how exciting!
Only say that you were dealing with instruments and devices to draw automatically.
Okay.
But it's not so easy to find it in the gallery. One of the children was so stressed about this treasure hunt that he finally come here with his mother saying, I cannot find it.
I'm thinking to introduce myself a little in Italian.
Yeah, but if you want, in Italian it's perfect. This neighborhood, it's quite strange. But at the same time, I think that it's very interesting from an anthropological point of view. And you can find the son or the daughter of an ambassador and the son or the daughter of the domestic professionals working in his house. So for us, it's very good because it's trying to... For children, it's absolutely normal to be mixed between rich and poor, between black and white. It's not an issue. You don't even recognize it. While for the parents, it could be an issue to make a mixture. And we want the mixture. So for us, it's absolutely important from a political point of view. Sometimes it can generate this situation where you have a children speaking 3 languages and another one speaking the Roman dialect. So it's absolutely normal, but at the same time, it's quite challenging. So this to use for the performance. Peruvian dimension.
It's in the other room.
This is the second workshop we redesigned completely. Before the pandemic, we had to imagine something that made them speak, make them talk, make them work in educational situation. You can enter here and decide your own learning island. It's quite amazing to see people manipulate the space in order to feel comfortable, because finally you have to be in your... How can I say? You
Creative zone?
Yeah, you have to feel free to express yourself somehow, to ask your body how to feel better.
It's now almost 1 o'clock and I already finished cutting the paper with Stefania, and she recommended me to come to this market and get some lunch. So I have about 1 hour to eat, change my clothes, and start a workshop at 2:30 p.m. Very local, very interesting. Let's see what they have. Here you have the butcher shop with all kinds of meat, vegetables and fruits, more meat. I got some seafood salad, some grilled vegetable, and a big mozzarella. Wow. Okay, let's try. They like to use vinegar in their salad, I think, and some lemon. So it's slightly acidic, but it feels light. Alright, I just finished my lunch. It's 1:32 and I'll go change my clothes at 1:50. So now I have about 18 minutes and I really want to introduce myself in Italian for those kids. And no, I don't speak Italian, but how hard can it be, right? You just kind of read it as I imagine. But yeah, I think it'll be fun. And I think some kids speak English, so really no stress. I want to show my respect for their language and that I'm trying to communicate. And hopefully this will make them behave better. That's my strategy.
Lo ha già visto.
Okay.
La mia arte parla di creare strumenti per disegnare.
Okay, the guard is really nice. He read my little speech once, and to be honest, I need to practice. Ah, I see someone in the workshop. I'm gonna ask him to read my speech again, or listen to me speaking, and correct me if that's even possible. Ciao! Ciao a tutti. Mi chiamo November 1. Vengo dal Canada, ma adesso vivo a Taipei.
Ok.
Lavoravo. Lavoravo.
Sì.
E forse.
Esposto. In un museo.
But you can guess.
Ok.
Insieme a voi oggi. It's okay. Okay. So I just changed my performance clothes. And now we're gonna set up the paper. The photographer and Stefania are so kind. They're gonna help me to set everything up. The kids are finishing to have lunch and they're gonna have a little siesta, a little nap. Then they'll join us. I feel like we might start around 3. I don't even know what time it is. I think close to 2:30 maybe. Anyway, we're gonna set this up. We make a adjustable loop for the kids. This is the master. She's gonna show us how. So 7?
8.
She's like this. She's like.
I'm a Taurus. I need to try and to see.
So I wait every time.
Okay.
Così?
Vai.
Mi pare che sia come quello che ho fatto prima. Va bene?
Ciao a tutti. Mi chiamo November 1. Vengo da Canada, ma adesso vivo a Taipei. Oggi faremo un laboratorio speciale. For those that speak English, you can talk to me in English. If you have any question, let me know. Next, I will do a performance right here. And after this, we'll start with the first group where you will follow my movement and we will create a wonderful collaborative drawing. Yes?
Yes.
Who's ready?
Ok ragazzi, adesso November, che avete capito, prima faceva l'architetta, adesso invece è un artista, viveva in Canada, adesso sta a Taipei, che dopo ve lo faccio vedere su una mappa. E adesso, Luna, wait. Adesso farà una performance, ok? Che durerà circa 7 minuti, ma non vi preoccupate, saranno velocissimi perché è molto interessante.
A lucky person.
Ora scegli una persona fortunata.
Yes.
Ok, Bruna, dici un po'. She said that she loves your ballet because you were just dancing. Ma che cosa hai disegnato secondo te? Che cos'è?
Penso che era tutto un circolo così come una farfalla.
A butterfly? A lot of circles.
Yeah.
Questa cos'è?
First of all, circles, a lot of, and then a butterfly.
Yes.
And I think it's a kind of ladybug. I don't know.
Yes.
Can we take off our shirt?
Actually, you don't get dirty. We will do this for you.
No, with all your body. Alice, pronta? No, quella prima. Each other.
You will draw around my hand. And now they're doing an exercise of tracing the other person's body part.
So difficult, you cannot copy. This.
Yes, you will see, you will see. Okay, 1 minute, next pose.
Okay, next.
Oh, wait, I want this leg.
Vai, sì, facciamo un capolino, perfetto.
Chicken pose. You can do this, you can stay. Maybe only 30 seconds.
Now the artist is the boss.
Pronti? Yes.
Yeah, okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Woo!
I regret it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
I did it!
It's now 5:10 p.m. We just finished the workshop and it was super fun. The kids are so sweet. One of them, she spoke in Italian. She asked the teacher if I'm coming back tomorrow. Oh, my heart just melted. Overall, a really, really wonderful experience. More than I imagined. In fact, I didn't even imagine anything. I just tried to go with the flow and things worked out really well. I've been here since about 10:30 a.m. It's now almost 5:30. I think I deserve some gelato, so that's what I'm gonna get. Possibly the last gelato before I return back to Taipei. Yeah, hopefully I'll come back to Rome for another meaningful collaboration soon. Thanks everybody who have helped me along this journey. I know it's not easy, it's really a teamwork. Yeah, I feel really grateful at this moment and very excited. I feel also relief that everything's complete now. I'm just gonna go rest and pack for tomorrow. So I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye, ciao.